according to the newest iPhone leaks. Is this what this channel has become? I guess yes. Apple is reportedly looking into using electrical induced adhesive debonding technology to simplify the process of replacing batteries. The batteries will be housed in sort of a metal case. Is it titanium? I don't know. And applying a low voltage of electricity to the case would cause the battery to dislodge from the chassis compared to the current method of removing adhesive strips and in heats and solvents, and it's hot and it's messy and sticky. Now this sounds all nice and good. Thank you God Apple is making it easy to replace batteries. Now look, I'm not Louis Rassman, adding on those biceps, I'm no engineer, but if this leak is true and Apple completely redesigns the battery repair process, could this make things worse? Because I guess holding your phone and then sticking your finger in an electric socket probably is not gonna have the way it works. So I assume you need some kind of special equipment to make sure the voltage is the right amount and it's consistent and doesn't fry your phone. And I'm sure that Apple will be glad to sell you a special expensive an Apple shocker. So even if this makes the repair process easier, it might actually make it more expensive and less accessible, since repair stores will need to buy all new equipment, they have to retrain their workforce, and this could be one of those times where we think something sounds pro-consumer, like on the surface, like, oh yeah, so good, but deep down actually it's like the worst thing ever.
Can't innovate anymore, my ass.
For example, look at the self-repair program, which sounds so cool. They send you the equipment, man, I feel like such a man, yeah. But then you realize that, okay, I can either get my phone battery replaced for like $100 where Apple does it professionally, or I could do the self-repair thing where I have to buy the battery, pay $400 to rent the tools from Apple, and then Apple takes a $1,200 hold from a credit card, which they won't give back if you don't return the stuff within a week. Then I have the hassle of dealing with boulder-sized equipment, and I take on all the risk of doing a replacement myself. I wonder what I would choose. That self-repair thing was complete Apple sass, okay? Holding your phone wrong has nothing on that. And if you enjoyed the video thus far, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and I need it. So I wonder if this is yet another one of those moments. And just God, man, the lengths these companies go just to avoid giving us removal back, alright? Come on, how hard is that? Tim would rather have you, electrocute your phone and potentially, roast and repair guys to a nice, medium rare, rather than just give us a removable back with a removable battery. Okay, you can still have your wireless charging and your water resistance and your pretty nice, sleek design that you will never look at, because as soon as you get your phone, you're throwing on a cheap $2 carcinogenic Amazon case. So who cares about design? That is what we need, not giving a phone to little sharks, little zats, naughty phone, bad you, as I slap my mic. You still need to pry off the back of your phone, which most of us will crack if we do it ourselves, so you still have to go to the Apple store, so they still win. Goddamn, society sucks! What do you guys think of this? Let me know in the comments down below, and check out the greatest iPhone scam ever. Trust me, the video is totally worth it. Go watch it, alright? Make sure to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye-bye.